Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the background of your messenger from PC. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your messenger application or go to messenger website from your browser. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. Then from the chat section, select the chat in which you want to change your background. Then on the top right corner you can see conversation information. Click on it. Then you can see change theme option in customize chat option. There you can choose any theme you like. Then click to select. Then your background will be changed. This is how you can change your background in Messenger from your PC. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.